For more classic Filipino dishes made simple. Warm your soul with pork sinigang. A tangy, comforting Filipino stew that brings family and flavor together in one bowl. Craving something warm, savory, and sour? Sinigang na Baboy, pork sinigang, is a Filipino classic known for its rich broth and signature tamarind tang. Follow this easy, step-by-step guide to cook a delicious meal that's perfect for rainy days or Sunday lunches with the family. Ingredients you'll need. Main ingredients: 1 kilogram pork belly, or ribs, cut into chunks. 1 large onion, quartered. 2 medium tomatoes, quartered. 10 to 12 pieces string beans. 1 cup daikon radish, sliced. 1 to 2 pieces eggplant, sliced. 1 bunch kangkong, water spinach. 1 green chili, optional, flavor base. 1 packet sinigang mix, tamarind flavor, or 1 cup fresh tamarind juice. Salt and fish sauce, patis, to taste. 6 cups water. Tip: fresh tamarind adds authentic depth, but sinigang mix is a convenient alternative. Step 1: Boil the pork. Instructions: place pork in a large pot and pour in 6 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat. Skim off the scum to keep broth clear. Simmer for 45 to 60 minutes until pork is tender. This step builds the base flavor. Patience pays off. Step 2: Add aromatics. Instructions: add onions and tomatoes to the pot. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes to extract flavor. Optional: add a few cloves of crushed garlic for more depth. Step 3: Mix in the sinigang base. Instructions: add tamarind mix, or fresh tamarind juice, to the pot. Stir well and simmer for another 5 minutes. Taste test: adjust sourness and seasoning with patis or salt. Step 4: Add the vegetables. Instructions: add radish and string beans first. After 5 minutes, add eggplant. Simmer until all veggies are tender. Add the chili at this point if you like a spicy kick. Step 5: Finish with kangkong. Instructions: add kangkong leaves just before turning off the heat. Stir gently and let the residual heat cook the greens. Don't overcook, kangkong wilts quickly. Serve and enjoy. Presentation tips: serve hot with steamed rice. Offer extra fish sauce and chili on the side. Perfect for cozy meals with loved ones. Great for your Instagram feed. Show off that rich, steamy broth. Tried this recipe? Tag us in your creations. Share your pork sinigang moments using #SinigangSunday. Follow for more classic Filipino dishes made simple.